Shirithia ugitiri riri githurano giatigia thiko nini gitafanio.
And I would like to announce that there are some parts of this region where we are going to heighten surveillance, and therefore I have asked this morning the regional security team to rise up the level of alertness in certain parts of this region to ensure that we facilitate effective participation in the general elections. I have no evidence that there's going to be a problem of any kind. We are prepared and we are ready. We are bringing in special additional resources to back up the work and the planning that the regional security team is doing here. And therefore, we will, effective next week, locate additional security resources here to back up my colleagues who have done a phenomenally excellent job in keeping this region safe. The only dimension that we have looked at together jointly is aspects in some 2 counties in this region where possibly players in the electoral process may be tempted, and we are noticing some evidence of that temptation to try and mass up small groups that could engage in crime. My simple advice to them is don't try, because we actually are watching very closely, and I have asked my colleagues in the regional security team to act ruthlessly on any individual politician or any player who's going to try to do those kinds of things. We are determined and we are very sure that we are ready to keep this region safe, quiet through the electoral process, period. Any effort to do that, we are ready for you.